How to add call button on Google Ads. Really easy and simple, guys. So once you create your Google Ads account, it will prompt you to create your new campaign, okay? Or you can just come here and edit your current campaign. Now under create ads, what you're gonna do is you're gonna scroll all the way down and you will see this option right here that says calls. So you add a phone number, right? So here is the account level calls, my details, basically the number that was added to my account for my business. So come here, click on it plus calls. And then right here, I'm going to show you what we need to do. So this is campaign level calls. Let me go ahead and show you this. So I will edit this call. Okay. I am located in the United States. This is my number. And I'm going to be using my account setting call from ads. So I'm using the number from my account. Then you can come and look at advanced options where you can choose what times of the day they will display this and people will be able to call you. They can do all days and they can save that. And then just come here and click on apply. And totally you can add a new call. Really easy and simple. Just enter your phone number right here and then click on save. So I'm just going to apply this. And there we go, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.